but the automation license manager is version 6.
Oh, okay.
Okay, what happened is it's together with the Simatic manager lah. So now a lot of problem with the version 6.0.
Oh, okay.
So just now when I open cannot open.
Oh,
So what I want to do, I install the license manager, install 6.2.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because same thing, because the latest Windows update go and disturb the license manager.
Oh, okay, okay. So actually I cannot on the internet or is it?
No, can on.
Okay.
Can on. Just because today also same, one of my participants to change laptop.
Oh.
So he asked me to help install. So I sending the file, asked him to install. After install, when open cannot, same thing.
Oh.
License manager failed. Then I go to Siemens website and see what is the problem. Then I find out they say the 6.0 got some security features.
Oh.
So Windows update, when you Windows update, update your security, go and disturb this file.
Oh, okay.
File. So in the Siemens system, they said try to use the version 6 service pack 12 above or 6.2. So I install 6.2 can work. Now I want to install the 6.2. That should work.
Okay.
Because cannot do anything, because when I install Simatic Manager, it automatically installed 6.0.
Oh.
So we cannot do anything. So can work like cannot work, then install the new version.
Okay.
3 for 4 box or 5 box? 5 box. Go to the other program, the other apps. Onsite base. No, this one is correct. This one. Box B, box B. Why do we have 3? Down. Wait, again, try it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, cannot count number what? Number 5. You see, really said. Okay, this is not. You see the value here. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I want to 5, the conveyor A off already. You see? Cannot. Yes.
Because it's already moved to the
Yeah.
one on the fifth on the stadium.
Okay. Oh, in that case, actually, I want to count them also.
Okay, understand.
Because I put the earlier we don't have interlock,
Yes.
so we have to count up and down.
Okay.
When we put the interlock like this, then I don't need to the countdown. I can remove no problem. Not necessary. Even though it's a CUD,
Yes.
CD not necessary also.
Right, I can still use the
Yes, yes.
Oh, CD,
No, I mean you CU. You still can use.
Still can use
No problem. 4. So then, S2 become 1. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 will need to be.
Okay.
Then, after 3 seconds, reset the this one is supposed to be. Okay, good. Okay, so okay. Now, okay, the same project. So this project is okay, right? Okay. So in the same file, we close. In the same file, I want to do some max functions. No need to create a new file, okay? Just the same file. Then later on, we can do some analog programming. So you just create one FC3. You just do it then. Max, yes. You already called Adobe one? Okay. Even though I'm not doing any project, I still can call like this, no problem. FC3, right? Okay, you see, inside here, right? Actually got some other FCs, you know. Have you checked? No. You just click here, SFB. Okay, because I'm not using this. Okay, I'm going to do library level. Can you see standard library on that? Okay, go to standard library. Can you see? If you want to do some IEC function blocks, you click here. Function blocks. Can you see? So many. But this one all is like all Siemens already created for you.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it's already created for you. Just take and use.
Oh, okay.
But you need to know how to use this. Okay, sometimes this one they have in the help. This one not in the help because this one all additional, right?
Okay.
It's a library. You need to download a separate manual for this.
Oh, okay.
Actually, PLC are not only for programming. Like if you want to troubleshoot, you must be good in seeing the manual and you want to troubleshoot. Right. So of course, you troubleshoot your fun example. Of course, they have the manual. This let's say there's this LED turn red. What is the meaning?
Yes.
This one is blink. What is the meaning? Right. So you can refer to the manual. Right. Same thing PLC. That's how I learned a lot of things in the manual, because when you open manual, because when you see something, right, like for example a timer, right, if you see timer, SODP, UFS, TP, R, Q, BI, BCD. If someone not teaching you, you don't know what is this.
Yes, correct. Correct.
Okay, so then, but this one already teach you. So when you go for any training or YouTube or something like this, you cannot see someone is teaching all the things. Of course, you won't have time, and not necessarily also to teach everything, because it's depend on the project. I don't think so. There's one person know everything. It's depend on what type of programmer he is. Let's say example for me. Okay, I more do program on basic controls. Okay, like normal controls, everything. Timer, counter, this one. Then I can do program for analog programming, and I can control motors, control the speed, everything. Can do servo motors, programming, all that. Okay. For example, like with Siemens, I never do servo motor programming. So I never touch the servo motor functions.
Oh, okay.
But I have done the servo motor programming in Mitsubishi, in Omron. So I know how it works. But in Siemens, they have the block, but I never touch.
Okay.
Because I never do the program.
Yes.
Something like that. So the programmer depend on what type of programming you do. Okay. So not necessary to use one. Okay. But if you want to use something, then you can refer to the manual. So in the manual, like this one, like the timer, they already have in the help.
Okay.
Correct. Some others like this, sometimes it won't be in the help. So for this, you can download a separate manual for this. Sure, in the website they have. So they will give you what meaning of this, all that. So why that one is important? Okay, of course you are not going to do a bigger project or something. The program is already built. You want to troubleshoot. So when you want to troubleshoot, let's say it's a simple troubleshoot, then no need. If when you do some troubleshoot, suddenly something sees some block like this. Correct?
Yes.
Because you see a very simple example. If you want to troubleshoot this timer, if you want to know why the output is not working, you need to understand how the timer works. Correct?
Yes.
So when this one is on, timer will run first. After the timer, then only input is on. If let's say this one is on and also the reset also on, so what happens? So output always is off.
Yes.
It won't count.
Yes.
So the function of the block we need to understand. So once you understand the function of the block, then you know how to troubleshoot it. Same concept for others also. If you see suddenly what new one, what you do? Always take the name, for example. Okay, just go and try to search in the app. Okay. Then if you see, you try to study in the manual. Okay, you can understand. Just go to Google or YouTube or something. Okay, just type in Simatic Manager Timer. Actually a lot of videos in YouTube.
Okay.
The thing is, you need to put the correct keyword. Don't ever, if you let's say you want to learn on this, don't ever put Siemens. Don't search for Siemens PLC videos or Siemens PLC timer. No, just go very specific. That is Simatic Manager timer. This is the main. This is what you want to search.
Okay.
Then you can, it will give you the correct videos, correct informations. Same thing for, let's say for example, the Mitsubishi, the Q series. Okay, let's say you don't know Q series, what the software is using. First, you have the CPU name, right?
Yes.
You just go to Google CPU name, programming software.
Yes.
Nowadays, the Google have the AI, right? They will show you what is that.
Yeah.
From there, okay, you got ready. See, GX works too.
Yes.
Now, go to YouTube. Okay, GX works too. Upload Q series program. Then they will show you how to do it. Of course, I need to find a proper video. Now you get ready. Okay. Now you get ready how to do. So now, let's say like you already uploaded. Upload ready. Now you have the idea of doing this, the value. Okay. But now you don't know how to do that. Right? But you know the concept. I mean, after you learn the analog everything, you will know the concept.
Okay.
So use the concept. From the concept, you will know what to search.
Okay.
For example, analog scale.
Yes.
So you know. So, but if you want to do analog scale, you need the address one.
Yes, correct.
Then, same. Q series analog address.
Okay.
Then you see some video. Actually, that's how I learn also. I learn, I share. Then you see some video, and then you get okay. They're using some functions.
Yes.
As an example, some like timer example, some functions. But in, let's say in that video, they didn't tell about the function, how the function works. But they showed can use that function. Now you go for another video, search for the particular function, how the function works.
Okay.
From there, then slowly.
Okay.
Understand. That's how if whenever I do some new project, of course, whatever I learn, I can remember. Some new things, I always do the thing. Do video part one by one. And then so see some video, okay. They say you can use, let's say, can use Siemens to the cloud program. In the video, okay, they say Siemens connect to this software, then from this software connect to this software and cloud. Okay. Now you get a big picture. Now you need to know how the Siemens connect to the first software. They didn't tell you in the video. You search for that.
Oh, okay.
Then I search, okay. Now I know how they. Then from where one by one I check. Okay? Okay? Later on we will be using one of the functions for analog program. Okay? Now, you open the max. Now, you can minimize this. Can you see integer functions? Can you see? Add, subtract, multiply, divide. Or integer, this is double integer. Okay? Okay. Now, so integer, double integer, I want to use a memory. Correct. M like this. Now, what M you want to use? Which M is available? MW. Okay. What number is available? Zero because you already use one.
Oh, for this
Yes.
I skip to that MW because now I skip to MW 12 already.
MW 12 directly. Okay. So we don't know what M memory free now.
Yeah.
Okay. So there's a function. Okay. Actually, you can go to. Okay. You go to here. Go to symbols. Okay. here they show, okay, 2, 6, 4, 14, 12, all these ranges. But you see, in the symbol table, it won't show all your address. Correct? Because sometimes in the program you put address, but you forget to put the name, so it won't be here. Correct? Okay. The proper way is, okay, close this. To know what number is available, you can here Simatic Manager also can, in the ladder also can. Okay, go to option, reference data. Okay, because it's you click on the blocks, that's why it's okay. Now we go option, reference data. Okay, display. Click yes. Being processed. Okay, yes. Cross reference. Okay. So cross reference is, it will show what are the addresses I used in my program. All the addresses. Then you can filter here also. You click here. Okay, which one you want to monitor? No, we want to see the memory, right?
Oh, okay.
Just leave it the memory. Others on can close off. Okay, okay. So it will show these are the memories I already used.
Okay.
So you see I 0 until 0, then you already skip to 10, right?
Yes.
Then 2 also, so means it's 2, 4, 6, 10 I used already, then 12 and 14. Okay.
Right.
Then after 14 can use that.
Yes.
So this is how you can check.
Okay.
And later on we will be using this also to troubleshoot. So I will show you how to do troubleshooting. So we can start maybe from 20, okay?
Okay.
Okay, can close this. Open back the max. Okay. Let's say we take addition. Okay. So just put here MW20. Okay. So here we want to learn two things. Number one is the data types. So when to use integer, when to use double integer, real. Number two is the addressing. And the values also lah. We can know the values. Okay. So MW20. So next number, you can give a constant number also can. A memory also can.
Okay.
Let's say you put MW22. Then the result here, MW24. Okay. Now, if you want to give name, just right click here. You know, right? Okay, symbol. Okay, this. Just give a name like ADD1, ADD2, ADD value. Okay, can you see it become word? And here is integer. Okay. So okay. And asset also. Okay. But what is the difference between word and integer? No, word is not byte.
Sorry.
Hexadecimal.
Oh, hexadecimal.
Word is in hexadecimal. Okay, so it's like this. Both are 16-bit, right? One is the word, one is the integer. Both are same. 16-bit data. But word will be in hexadecimal. That is from 0 to F. If we convert this, is 0 to 65535 in decimal. Integer means will be the normal decimal number, negative, positive value.
Oh, okay.
So it's negative 32,768, positive 32,767. That is the difference. So So this is the mistake sometimes we do. So we forget to select the correct one.
Yeah.
Then suddenly the value like the hexadecimal suddenly we confuse. What difference?
Yes.
Okay. So what you can do? Save. Of course, you download both. You go back to the what Simatic manager. No need to close this. Just go back to Simatic. Okay, just download FC and OB. But if you download all also, not an issue. Okay. That's the thing. Whenever you download, we need to know what we are doing.
Yeah.
If we know what we are doing, then we can avoid mistakes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, then you add VAT. You want to use this VAT also can. You want to add another VAT also can.
Oh, okay.
Actually, you can add multiple VATs. Yes. Okay, how many numbers? Another two, right? Yeah. Okay. So pin, yes. See, so make it bigger. No, sorry. Oh, sorry. And make it smaller. Yes. Then you can make it smaller until this line enough already, right? Okay. Where is the this is here. I mean the spec is here. Until this spec also enough already. Alright. Okay, then you go to the program, monitor, then here also monitor, both the place monitor. Yes. Can you see it's in hexadecimal?
Oh, yes.
Right. Okay. Change to decimal. I mean, you can
Okay.
online also can change.
Yes.
Yes. already add, but did you download the OB or not?
Yeah, this one the FC300
OB1, but why? You go and check the OB1. Just go to, okay, good. Okay, wait, I don't do anything. Now, you said you already downloaded, but you don't know. So what we can do, there's a function called compare blocks. Yes, it means that compare the block from your laptop to the PLC. Okay. Go to option. Compare blocks. So you want to compare online and offline lah. So what you want to compare? The blocks. Okay. If you want to compare two projects, that is part 1, part 2. And here you can select one, here one select two different files. Okay, compare. You see? So the can you see FC123 is not here. It means it's same. Okay. Then FB1, DB1, DB2 shows is only inside the online. So because yesterday one. Okay. And OB1, can you see part 1 contain newer version. So it means you haven't downloaded. Yes. Okay, just close. Just select OB1, download. Yes. Okay. Yes. Because how I know you didn't download? Okay, number 1 cannot monitor here. Another one, the run here is like stay on only. From there you can know. Okay. You try to put bigger numbers in. What happens? Of course. Understand. Why? Because you see, maximum this value. Maximum this value. Yeah. You try to put that value. Enter. You must enter. You enter, see? Same thing. Why? What do you think? You put 60,000, let's say. Okay. So you try to put 32,767. Why? Because it's an integer. I means it depends on my maths. It's an I. So even though just now the MW 20, 22, 24 we choose hexadecimal, but since the ADD, the block is integer, so it's only accept integer. Okay, now, so you can key more than 32, right? Yes. And the output also same. Why one? Okay, because here you didn't monitor it. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so cannot be more than this number, lah.
Yes.
So if more than this number, what we need to do? Okay, we click here, add another network, or beside also can lah. Just click here. Go to integer function, add double integer. Yes. So double integer means I must use MD. Okay. So what MD I can use now here? What number? Cannot. Same, because it's all using the same numbers.
Oh, okay. So you skip the 26.
Yes. So you put MD 26. Okay. So next number is MD. No. Because MW is a 16-bit.
Okay.
2 byte.
Okay.
MD is a 4 bytes.
Oh.
32-bit.
So MD 30.
Yes. Then MD 34.
There's no count that
L plus. Because it's showing that it's a long word.
okay.
Monitor. Then you can. Why no value? Did you download? Not yet. No, wait. You can leave it monitor. This one no problem. Just can download this. Okay. So this one also is a double word.
Yes.
So same thing, word and double integer. Okay. So that was so